For anybody who's having some difficulty with question number 5, I'll just give you a few hints. I'm not going to give you the answer, but I'll set it up for you so that you can get the answer quite easily. An object is projected upward from the top of a building at an angle of 28 degrees. So here is our diagram. Projected 28 degrees, so it goes like this. Lands somewhere here. With a speed of 15 meters per second, and it hits the ground 32 meters from the base of the building. In other words, the range, the horizontal distance that it travels is 32 meters. Now we want to know what is the height of the building. So we're trying to find the vertical displacement. We're trying to find the vertical displacement. We're given the horizontal displacement. So let's just write that out. In terms of the horizontal components, what are we given? The displacement. Do we have the velocity? Or let's go with the time. Do we have the time? No, we don't. Do we have the velocity? Yes, we do. But we have to calculate it by separating it into components. So we're going to take 28 degrees and 15 meters per second. Here, 28 degrees, right in here. 15 meters per second. So x and y, if you solve for x, that is the horizontal velocity. And remember, uniform motion. So only this formula can be used for uniform motion. But if you solve for y, then you are going to get your initial vertical velocity. Y is your initial vertical velocity that you're going to need, because what you're going to do in this question is essentially you're solving for, or not essentially, you are solving for this one here, the vertical displacement. To get the vertical displacement, we have it's vertical, so we have acceleration due to gravity. We're going to calculate the initial velocity right here. And we don't have the final velocity, and we don't have the time. So we're going to have to calculate the time, and the way that we're going to do that is by using this, the horizontal components, because you're going to have a value for the velocity, and therefore you can calculate the time. And once you've got that time, you can plug that in over here, because it's obviously the same number, and solve for the vertical displacement. Okay, so hopefully that's clears things up for question 5, and enjoy.